picked out the 20mm bit should have been 25, so that dowel's not going to go in there. Restarting over that original hole is hard work, but let me show you a way to make it nice and easy. Just get yourself a bit of scrap, and obviously the right size bit, and then drill all the way through. What that will allow you to do now, place that over the top of the original hole, clamp it, and then you can use that as your guide to drill the hole to the correct size, exactly where you wanted it.